Hello students, this is my 8th lecture on light refraction and refraction, and here I will be studying about image formation by concave lens. In my previous lecture we have studied about image formation by convex lens. So this part will go on image formation by concave lens. So let us see. When the object is at infinity, when my object is at infinity, so ray will come from the object and will suffer refraction at this lens and will diverge from the lens. So after diversion, we will be assuming that the ray have come from the focus. So my image will form at this f1. So what will be the position of my image? It will be in the focus on the same side of the object. So position of the image is at focus f1. The size of the image is very much small, or I can say it as a point sized or very highly diminished. The nature is what? It is virtual and erect. Here second one is when object is at infinity and optical center. In between infinity and optical center. So object is at infinity, between infinity and optical center. So this is my object. When ray is coming parallel to the principal axis, it suffer refraction and will move away from the lens. So similarly, another ray have come which passes through the optical center without any deviation. So if I extend this ray with dotted lines, and we can see that these two rays have meet at this point. So this point will be my image, and this point is at between focus and optical center. Looking at the image, we can say that my image is diminished, means smaller than the object, and it is virtual and erect. So we have completed about the image formation by convex lens, concave lens, convex mirror, concave mirror. So this is now we are proceeding towards the last part of our chapter, that is the lens formula. Similar to the lens formula which we have studied earlier for in case of mirror, here in case of lens also we have the same lens formula. So what is the lens formula? I have told earlier that this is a formula which gives the relation between object distance u, image distance v, and focal length f. Thus the lens formula is given by, in case of lens, in case of lens, this formula is given by 1 by v minus 1 by u is equal to 1 by f. So this formula is nothing but called the lens formula. We will be using this lens formula in solving some problems. So magnification, as studied earlier, what is magnification? It is nothing but a ratio of height of image by height of object. So if h dash is the height of image and h is the height of object, so m is equal to ratio of height of image by height of object. Again, magnification can also be written as m is equal to v by u. So this is also another formula of magnification in case of lens, that is m is equal to v by u. But in case of mirror, we have studied the formula of magnification. In case of mirror, there was a negative sign here, but in case of lens, this negative sign will not be there. So what is the power of lens? The ability of a lens to converge or diverge a ray of light is called the power of lens. So we have seen that lens, what is a lens doing? It will, if it is a convex lens, it will converge a ray. If it is a concave lens, it will diverge a ray. So how much a lens will converge or diverge a ray of light is called the power. So it depends not on the focal length of the lens. So the power of the lens, it depends on the focal length of the lens. If P denotes the power, then the formula of power is P is equal to 1 by f. The power SI unit of power of lens is said to be diopter. Diopter, it is denoted by D. So by looking at the formula, we can say that P is equal to 1 by f. F is nothing but a length or focal length or simply a length. So what is the unit of length? Length is meter. So F is in downward portion, so meter inverse. What is diopter? One diopter is equal to 1 meter inverse. Thus we can write a definition of diopter to be: one diopter is the power of a lens whose focal length is 1 meter. So 1d is equal to 1 meter inverse, because F is downward, F to tolot ase. The power of a convex lens is positive and power of a concave lens is negative. So power of a convex lens will be positive. If we go to a doctor and check our eye, we can see that we will see that doctor has prescribed our eye power, and there is in some cases we will see positive plus 2.5 something. Sometimes we will see minus 2.5. So what is this plus and minus? This is nothing but if we will be using a convex lens or a concave lens. মই যে কেতিয়াবা ডক্টৰ তাত গ'লে দেখা পাবা যে প্লাছ 2.5 তোমাৰ চকুৰ পাৱাৰ. সো প্লাছ মানে কি মই কনভেক্স লেন্স ইউজ কৰিম, মাইনাছ 2.5 দেখা পালে মাইনাছ মানে কি কনকেভ লেন্স. সো এইটোৱে তোমাৰ পাৱাৰ যিটো ডক্টৰে দিয়ে. So okay, this is the last part. This was the last part of this chapter. I will be making one more video on this chapter which will be based on some question and answers. So thank you.